Welcome to a season where sunlight lingers longer, breezes carry warmth, and homes transform into serene retreats of comfort and charm. In this video, we explore the art of summer rustic decor, where effortless farmhouse elegance meets the natural beauty of the season. Imagine spaces that breathe, textures that tell stories, and details that feel both timeless and refreshingly simple. Summer rustic decor begins with a mindset, embracing imperfection and authenticity. It's about celebrating worn wood, soft linens, and handmade touches that echo a slower pace of life. Unlike overly polished interiors, this style invites you to relax, unwind, and connect with the beauty of simplicity in every corner of your home. Color plays a foundational role in creating this look. Think of sun-washed neutrals, creamy whites, sandy beiges, and soft grays, layered with gentle hints of sage green, dusty blue, or pale yellow. These tones reflect the outdoors and create a calm, airy atmosphere that feels perfectly aligned with the spirit of summer. Natural materials are at the heart of rustic elegance. Reclaimed wood furniture, woven baskets, rattan accents, and linen fabrics bring warmth and texture into your space. Each piece carries a sense of history and craftsmanship, making your decor feel curated rather than manufactured, and deeply personal rather than trendy. Lighting in summer rustic spaces should feel soft and inviting. Let natural light pour in through sheer curtains that dance with the breeze. In the evenings, create ambience with warm-toned lamps, lanterns, or candles placed thoughtfully throughout your home, offering a gentle glow that enhances the cozy farmhouse aesthetic. Furniture choices should lean toward comfort and function. Oversized sofas with slipcovers, weathered dining tables, and vintage-inspired chairs create an inviting environment where people naturally gather. The goal is not perfection, but ease, spaces that feel lived in, welcoming, and effortlessly stylish. Textiles add depth and softness to your decor. Layer lightweight throws, cotton cushions, and linen tablecloths to create a tactile experience. Subtle patterns like stripes, florals, or checks can add visual interest while maintaining the relaxed and cohesive farmhouse feel. Incorporating greenery is essential during the summer months. Fresh flowers in mason jars, potted herbs in the kitchen, or leafy branches displayed in ceramic vases instantly bring life into your home. These natural elements blur the line between indoors and outdoors, enhancing the seasonal charm. The kitchen, often the heart of the home, can beautifully reflect rustic summer elegance. Open shelving displaying simple dishware, wooden cutting boards, and glass jars filled with pantry staples creates both function and aesthetic appeal. It's about showcasing everyday items in a way that feels intentional and warm. Dining spaces should evoke a sense of togetherness. A farmhouse table set with neutral linens, ceramic plates, and simple centerpieces like wildflowers or candles can transform everyday meals into memorable experiences. Keep it relaxed and unfussy, allowing conversation and connection to take center stage. Outdoor spaces are an extension of your rustic summer decor. Whether it's a small patio or a spacious garden, incorporate wooden furniture, soft cushions, and string lights to create a cozy outdoor retreat. This is where summer evenings come alive with laughter, warmth, and gentle breezes. Vintage accents bring character and storytelling into your space. Antique mirrors, distressed frames, old books, or flea market finds add a sense of nostalgia. These elements remind us of the past while blending seamlessly into modern living, creating a layered and meaningful environment. Wall decor in rustic summer interiors should remain simple and intentional. Consider botanical prints, handmade art, or even empty wooden frames arranged in a gallery style. Negative space is just as important, allowing each piece to breathe and contribute to the overall calmness of the room. Scents can enhance the atmosphere in subtle but powerful ways. Think of lavender, citrus, or fresh linen fragrances that evoke the feeling of summer. Candles, essential oils, or dried herbs can create a sensory experience that complements the visual beauty of your decor. Storage solutions can also be part of the aesthetic. Woven baskets, wooden crates, and open shelving provide practical organization while adding texture and charm. Instead of hiding everything away, rustic decor embraces visibility in a way that feels curated and harmonious. Personal touches are what truly bring your space to life. Family heirlooms, handmade crafts, or meaningful objects tell your story and make your home unique. Rustic farmhouse elegance is not about copying a look, but about creating a space that reflects who you are. As you design your summer rustic home, remember that less is often more. Avoid overcrowding your space, and instead focus on quality, texture, and natural beauty. Let each piece have a purpose and a presence, contributing to a cohesive and tranquil environment. In conclusion, summer rustic decor is an invitation to slow down and embrace the effortless beauty of farmhouse living. It's about creating spaces that feel warm, natural, and deeply comforting. With thoughtful details and a love for simplicity, your home can become a peaceful sanctuary that captures the essence of summer every single day.